Okay, so I'm back and a few things have happened. So this is the helmet section, and I'll just take through what we've done so far. So we've got the chest plate, we've assembled the leg, we've sanded everything back, we've put the wiring through the feet, we've run that up the inside of the leg and in here, and this is a really I'm pretty happy with this because it's not something that I expected, but you can get these simple LED connectors, and they come with a hex nut. So what I've done is I've taken the hex nut and I've simply glued that over the arc reactor chest plate, and then we can just screw in our LED clip with our LED bulb, and it will even give us that little chrome center ring in there. And then I've milled a small clear perspex piece to fit into the chest cavity. A bit hard to hold it in there. And then our 5mm LED will simply slide through, and it'll be held in place by the, well, I used a 5mm LED. Anyway, you'll have to trust me on that one. So a 5mm LED will just be held in there. So the wiring into the back. So now we've got the headpiece. The headpiece comes with a neck slot that slots into there, like so. And that's fairly, I'm not using it because we need to run wiring. So we'll just glue that in there in some sort of position. And then once we've got this headpiece, and then over the top of that will go our mask. That will just fit on like so. So the reason this mask looks this horrible color is because I painted it with a black, similar to that. I just did that for light blocking purposes. And then I used a gold paint that I wasn't happy with. I didn't like it. It was wasn't smooth enough. It gave more like a rough gold finish. So I've just sanded all that back. I'll re-prime it and redo it. Now, the next thing is, so we've got our mask on, and once we light that, we need to make sure that there's a really good quality light coming through there. So the plans are, I've just taken a piece of clear perspex, like so. I've just molded that over just a little round ball that I've got. And then I'm just going to give it a light sanding, just to haze it up. Like so. And then this will fit into the inside of the helmet and diffuse the light.